Forget Superfast, we're running out of superlatives for Ferrari's latest range topper. The 812 Superfast replaces the F12 and is astonishingly quick. Yet it remains comfortable enough to be enjoyed anytime, anyplace, anywhere. Somehow, Ferrari has managed to squeeze even more power from a newly enlarged 6.5-liter V12 engine, while the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is arguably the best we have ever experienced. An almost faultless supercar. How do you improve on perfection? Nobody in the Auto Express office ever returned from a drive in the F12 Berlinetta craving more power or a more visceral experience. And yet, here we are with the Ferrari 812 Superfast, the most powerful and fastest road-going V12 Ferrari, with the exception of the hybrid LaFerrari, ever built. The figures are breathtaking, a 6.5-liter V12 engine producing 789 bhp and 718 Nm of torque, a top speed of 211 miles per hour and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time quicker than you can read the sentence. It's 2.9 seconds, by the way. Superfast by name, superfast by nature, then. Whatever your thoughts on the slightly dubious name, there's no denying this Ferrari is more than able to live up to its moniker. It is, of course, a replacement for the old F12 Berlinetta, which at the time was the fastest and most powerful car to emerge from Maranello. A case of history repeating itself and evidence that the front-engined, rear-wheel drive Ferrari V12 is alive and kicking, despite rumors to the contrary. The 812 Superfast stems from a rich bloodline. Before the F12 Berlinetta there was the 599, while the F140 V12 engine dates back to the 642 bhp Ferrari Enzo of 2002. The V12 is as old as Ferrari itself, with the 125S powered by the iconic Colombo motor of 1947. The 812 Superfast is, if you like, Ferrari's way of celebrating its 70th anniversary. Unsurprisingly, nothing was left to chance in the development of this latest masterpiece. Prices start from a little over £250,000, but this will increase once you've finished playing with the online configurator. It's almost impossible to review the Ferrari 812 Superfast without coming across like a starstruck 7-year-old. This is the kind of car children grow up dreaming about. It's a pin-up hero for a new generation. Spoiler alert, the 812 Superfast is mind-blowingly good. Ferrari would like us to think of the 812 Superfast as an entirely new car, not a replacement for the F12, and it's not hard to see why. Nothing has been left to chance in the pursuit of perfection.